Woodpeckers Precision Woodworking T-Squares make project layout a breeze with parallel scribing guides and highly accurate laser engraved scales. Our one-time tool special edition kicks it up a notch with hard coat anodizing, a process that creates a harder, slicker finish. Let's head out to the shop in Strongsville, Ohio and see how the special edition Precision Woodworking T-Squares are made. The scribing guides are precision machined into the blades on state-of-the-art CNC milling centers. After the hard coat anodizing process, the scales are laser engraved to a tolerance of 0.004 of an inch total stack-up error over the length of the blade. Then they move to the assembly and shipping departments, where they're prepared to head toward your shop. The special edition Precision Woodworking T-Squares are part of our one-time tool program and are only built to order. Click the link in the video description to see if orders are currently being accepted.